Student learning in the classroom is really important, but it isn't everything. Today I'm excited because with our Global Futures funding, we were able to bring the Build Now Waterloo Region team into our classrooms to interact with our students and get feedback on the design of the indoor spaces, the outdoor spaces, the neighborhood, and the overall model of Build Now.
It was an awesome opportunity to hear from really smart people about how we design better housing. Trying to see, is this something that we're doing that they would want, that they would choose to put their own time, energy, money into? Like, would you want to buy this type of housing? It was neat to be able to hear that from the people we're actually trying to design for.
I'm Samuel Matrasov. I'm a 4A urban design student here at Waterloo. And I think it's really nice to be with Build Now Waterloo Region, because being in the room with those industry leaders and professionals on a more casual yet structured setting, but also at the same time flexible. So we really can get those conversations going.
This is cross-disciplinary feedback that we need. So we're getting it from faculty, we're getting it from students, we're getting it from designers, developers, architects, and we're putting a lot of great minds in one room. And with that, we get a collaborative design that will be revolutionary on housing delivery in Canada.
Kind of makes me feel a little bit hopeful about my future with this all unknown territory of hearing how expensive housing is going to be in our future and that we'll never be homeowners. So it's a little hopeful and it feels good to be a part of it, to know that the work is being done. I think Build Now and the Future Cities Institute are doing something really amazing and creative.
The Global Futures Network is allowing us to connect our internal resources and capacity at Waterloo with external partners. And I think that's where the magic can really happen. And it's not just Build Now Waterloo Region, it's across the Global Futures Network. So integrating iCapstone and Future of Work and other funded projects together using one concrete real-world example of affordable housing in our region.
I really appreciate that. The whole idea of the pitch is that they're trying to kind of get more creative outlooks into their own projects. And a lot of the times what you see is there's already a fixed best practice standard. And what I really appreciate about this project is that they're going out of that best practice or standard practice, and they're kind of seeing what they can actually do to change the practice itself. And when they're asking us a bunch of questions, they do get that fresh, optimistic opinions that a lot of students have.
At Future Cities Institute, this is exactly what we do. We only do work if it's in partnership with people from outside the university. If partners outside are not asking for it, we don't do it. This is one great example of how we're bringing our students together with our partners for impact.